friends, welcome to today's video, and this video is for the Scrapbook Nerd crop. And today, okay, so I know spring is coming and we're doing springy things, but I am going to use this collection. This is actually the first time I played with this collection kit. I think my videos went up in a different order, but for this challenge, for this crop this weekend, I'm going to play with this collection, and we're going to do a recipe challenge. In the spring, I love to start baking, and I know we bake at Christmas and in the winter and cozy things as well, but like I was just watching a video on how to make like a lemon blueberry crisp, and oh, it just feels so like springy and I don't know, fresh. So that's why I thought it would be fun to do a recipe challenge, baking recipes. Okay, so there are 5 different ingredients to put in your project. And I am using these items in my project, and the challenge is going to be to use them in yours as well. You can add extra things as well. You don't have to, it's not like it has to only be these things, but it has to at least be one of each of all of these things. So I will have all of the information in the Facebook group, but the 5 things are a doily, stickers, cardstock stickers, enamel dots or gems, letter stickers or like foam word phrase stickers, something with words, and a sticker can be foam or whatever, or just like regular tile letters, whatever. And then either like paint or a mist spray. So you don't have to do full on mixed media, but just use just a little bit, whether it's in your background, whether you're going to do some paint splatters or you're going to paint something, use paint or mist spray or something equivalent to that in your project. So those 5 things will be listed in the Facebook group so you don't get mixed up. But yeah, so anyway, that's the recipe challenge. There's going to be lots of other challenges in the group, so be sure to head over there to the group. It's a free crop this weekend, and we're going to have challenges all weekend. You can submit your projects, and there's prizes to be won, so it's all very exciting. I'm using this foam tape from the shop that I am just loving. They're these little circles with the little tabs that you pull off. They're awesome. I love them. And gonna put my little cluster together. Love how this layout is turning out. It is a layout it is a photo from 2 years ago during, I think it was the playoffs, football playoffs, and we did some tailgating outside, and I live in Ontario, Canada, so it's not warm by any means in mid-January, but you know, it's tradition to do a little tailgating before a football game. Go Bills. And so it was a picture of my husband and my brother making some, barbecuing and tailgating and all that fun stuff before a game. So I don't remember what game it was, to be honest. I'm trying to think back now what game it could have been, but yeah, love that. So many good memories with football, and now that I'm starting to catch up a little bit with my memory keeping, I'm gonna have a lot more football memories, which is just so fun, because I didn't really start going to games. Like, we've been season ticket holders since 2019, and Andy and my brother went in 2019, and then during the 2020 and 2021 season, we couldn't go because the borders were closed. But I have gone the last 2 years to most of the home games and some away games, and it's just so much fun. So many great memories, and such like a special part of the fall and winter time that makes the winter a little bit easier. But thankfully now we're getting into spring weather. Let me know what the weather is like where you are. Obviously I'm recording this ahead of time, so I don't know exactly what the weather is going to be like when this video goes up, but I hope it is nicer because I'm definitely tired of the cold. So I put this little title, Freezin' But Worth It. And you can see where I use the doily in my layers. And what else here? We got lots of stickers on here because I'm using the sticker sheet and adding my enamel dots. And Yeah, I got my title, Doily, enamel dots, stickers, and then the paint. I'm going to do some paint splatters in white to kind of look like snow a little bit. So I apologize for being, a winter craft in this springtime, but it's fitting for me, and hopefully you'll be able to take this recipe and make a layout of your own and maybe use items that you're not used to using. You can see here I just dip my paintbrush into water and then a little bit of paint and do paint splatters, and I just love the way that looks. I think it adds something special to the project. So hopefully you can take this challenge and make something fun with it, whatever kind of paper crafting project you want to make. I'll leave the links down below for Scrapbook Nerd. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!